Subtitles are vital for better understanding and viewer engagement, creating an enjoyable viewing experience for diverse audiences. Explore my short tutorial on seamlessly incorporating free AI subtitles to enhance accessibility and engagement. Additionally, speed up your video editing with generators for a quicker and simpler process. Let's get started.
Visit the Caption AI website through the link provided in this video description. Navigate to the product menu and choose the Add Subtitles option. Upload your video. Select your preferred language. And click Add Captions to start the subtitle generation.
Subtitles are vital for better understanding and
Customize your captions by clicking Text for style adjustments and settings for position and size.
Subtitles are vital for better understanding and viewer engagement.
Once satisfied, click Download Video to begin rendering. Log in with your Apple or Gmail account when prompted to access your final video.
Subtitles are vital for better understanding and viewer engagement, creating an enjoyable viewing experience. Thank you for tuning in to this AI video editing tutorial. For more insightful artificial intelligence tutorials, make sure to visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for updates. Until next time.
Bye. Bye.